Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'm going to talk to you today about permitted development rights and how you can use these to enhance property value without the need for going for full planning permission. So there is a process to go through, provided that the property that you're dealing with conforms with the relevant criteria. Then you can apply for ratification of those criteria. You make the application. If you don't get the reply within 56 days, you're entitled to start, but you should get your ratification within 56 days, provided you conform with the criteria. So what do permitted development rights apply to? Well, there are permitted development rights applying to residential property. So you can extend your house to the back and to the side and upwards, depending on the location that you're in and depending on the neighbours' properties and their outlook and rights to light. So it's a sensitive subject, but there are permitted development rights to extend your property, and you can use these to increase the value of your residential property. Secondly, for commercial properties, there are rights to convert Class E buildings, which is basically offices and retail, into residential. So the usual permitted development rights in this case are Class MA, it's mercantile to abode, and Class G. So using these, you can convert the space over a retail premise into two flats. So if you've got one wide shop front, you can in fact split it into two shop fronts, two shops at the ground floor level, and then you can put four flats above, depending on the space that you've got, of course. And then in addition to being able to put flats above, you can, in certain circumstances, reduce the size of the shop on the ground floor and put another flat at the back of the shop premise on the ground floor. Again, provided you've got access and light to that situation. In some cases, you can convert storage buildings into residential. And you can do this if you've got a warehouse. You can actually put a light well down into the center of the building and create the ability to make windows for residences at the back of the building. So lots of opportunities with commercial to residential. And additionally, you can also convert agricultural buildings into residential using Class Q permitted development rights. So there are lots of these permitted development rights, and we can help you to convert your property and increase its value. So if you are interested to do this using any of the permitted development rights that we've talked about, then call me, that's Alan, on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. That's all for now. Cheers.